I can't believe I'm gonna be selling my entire closet. This is crazy. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys are old, hello, welcome freaking back. So today is launch day. I just launched my new vintage store today. I just posted a video today at 7:30 in the morning. And holy freaking cow, you guys, we already have 40 orders. 40. So I need to package all these orders today. I cannot tell you guys how long I've been wanting to sell my clothes, especially my vintage clothes. Poshmark is super easy to use, but I really wanted to have my own website. I just wanted a really cool project to work on. So in today's video, we are gonna be packing all of my orders and just getting all of my stuff out to you guys who have bought everything. So we sold out of so many items. So yesterday I decided to take more photos because I figured today I was probably gonna sell out of a lot of the stuff. So I'm adding new photos today. So by the time you guys watch this video, there's gonna be new arrivals on my vintage store. So go check it out. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Woo! So here are all the things I'm freaking selling, you guys. I am selling so many items and most of these items are already sold out. I think we only have 15 or 20 items left. But last night I started working on all of these orders. So I just packed them in tissue paper. So every single person is gonna get a cute little package like this. Unless you bought a lot of stuff, then it's kind of hard to make it all cute like this. Especially items like this. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna make this look cute with tissue paper. But the goal is to sell all of my clothes. I have more than just this. If you guys remember from my last video, I have so many more items I could be selling. Over the course of the next few weeks, I'm gonna slowly just put more items online, so make sure you guys keep checking back if you guys want anything. But here are some of the pieces that I have. This is more stuff that I have. I literally have over 200 pieces that I need to sell, and I've only put 70 pieces online. I can't believe I'm gonna be selling my entire closet. This is crazy. This is literally my second closet, and it's filled with stuff that I love, but I just don't wear anymore, and I'm trying to become more of a minimalist at heart, so I just need to get rid of a lot of stuff. Although a lot of these things I still want to keep. I cannot tell you how many items that I took photos for my vintage site that I was like, I want this, I freaking want this, and I had to tell myself that I wasn't gonna wear it. But yeah, let's go ahead and start packing. So last night I used this entire area to kind of package all of my orders, but I actually want to do it over here because there's more space and it actually hurt my back to sit on the floor. Because here is the printer that I use. This is the Dymo label writer. And so I love this thing so much because it doesn't take toner or ink. This printer is just so fast because it doesn't need any ink. So I highly, highly suggest it. But it is definitely pricey. I think this thing was $160. So I'm gonna print out all of my orders. I have 40 orders that I need to do, and more are happening, and it just makes me so excited. Thank you guys so much for supporting my little store. Also, as you guys know, all of the proceeds from these orders are going to Feeding America over the next week. So any order that was made before April 30th, all the proceeds are going to Feeding America. So if you guys want to support Feeding America and get clothes at the same time, go make an order, but you don't have to. Look how fast this thing is. Invoices are just printed out. That was so fast. Holy freaking cow. And look how many freaking orders we have. That is amazing. Holy cow. That is so amazing. Jesus. Wow, it goes on forever. So I'm just gonna separate all of this because it's kind of hard to see what I'm working with when they're all attached together. So so I separated my invoices into 2 piles. This pile is orders that only bought 1 thing, and then this pile is orders that bought 2 or more things, or people who have multiple orders. So I'm gonna write little special handwritten notes to everyone who bought 2 or more items. I wish I could do it for everybody, but since I literally have over 40 orders, I don't have enough of my special note cards for everybody. Okay, so here are my special little cards that I had made a few years ago, and it just says my name, TiffanyMa, in gold lettering. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's so freaking cool. I actually got this from my sorority because I was treasurer, and so they made special cards for everybody that was on council. So since I was on council, they had these made for me, and I never used them, but I figured I would use them for thank you cards. So this is where I'm gonna write all of you guys special little thank you cards. Update, I figured I would tell you guys what I'm up to right now. So I finished writing all of my cards. I really like the look of this. I ended up putting all of the invoices inside of these cards, and I think that looks so cool. I have all of these orders that I packaged yesterday. So what I did was I lint rolled every single piece, double checked that there were no stains, rips, or anything on them. Then I folded them and then just wrapped it in tissue paper, and I put a little piece of tape on it, and then I just added a little thank you on the piece of tape because I don't have thank you stickers. So let's just pretend these are my thank you stickers. And then what I'm doing is I'm weighing everything. Then once I weigh everything, I download the label, print out the label, and then add the label to here. And honestly, which order is this? Because I don't know. If it doesn't get dark by the time I finish this, I'm gonna also take a bunch of photos so that I have more photos to add online so that you guys have more items to choose from. I think I'm gonna add a bunch of accessories today and maybe more shoes as well, because I do have a lot of shoes and accessories that I just haven't put online yet. And I've mainly only put a bunch of clothes online. Update here. It's currently at 4:40 p.m. so I decided to make some lunch. So I made myself a Hot Pocket. Oh, it's so good. I haven't let myself eat a Hot Pocket in like 5 days. I've been eating oatmeal instead, and today I just wanted a really quick meal. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start folding and making sure everything looks good with the rest of the products. So I'm gonna start working on all of these items. I'm gonna tissue paper wrap them, lint roll them, and just fold them and package them and just make them all look really pretty. Hello. So here's the tissue paper I'm using. I got a pack of like 1,000 of these. This is totally not necessary, but I wanted my store to be really cute and vintage-ish vibes. So that's why I wanted to just wrap everything really, really nicely.
The next morning.
Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day now. Last night was just a crazy night. My back is hurting so much because I spent all last night packaging all of these items. I packed them into tissue paper. So right now what I need to do is actually pack them into their poly mailer so I can mail them out by the end of today. I don't know why this is so satisfying to me, but everything is packed nice and tight. I wanted everything to have kind of a handmade vibe, so that's why I'm packing everything into tissue paper. I did so many of the orders yesterday. This is the longest part of the process, is making sure all the items are nice and clean and packed away like this. If you guys remember, I ordered a bunch of stuff on youpackandship.com. That's where I get all of my packaging supplies, and my box just came in this morning, which is perfect timing because I was running out of poly mailers. Look, she is here, so I'm gonna open this. Holy crap, this thing is so heavy. Okay, this makes a lot of sense why shipping is so expensive. Yay! All right, we got the big poly mailers, which is perfect because I actually am completely out of this. Now I can send out all the bigger items. And then we also have the smaller poly mailers. This is the 10 by 13. And then this is the 14 by 17. And then I grabbed another pack of the thermal rolls. So this is all the stuff. Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Okay, now let's pack everything fun. At some point today, I also want to take more photos because I did my makeup so I can take more photos and clothes, because a lot of the items that I have online are actually sold out. So I pretty much took everything that was sold out off of the site, so you can't see anything that was sold out. So it looks like not a lot of stuff was sold. So yeah, let's get to work. Holy cow, guys, I'm officially done packing all of these orders. I do have a couple more that just came in today, but these are all the ones that I had for my very first day and second day. So that is so amazing, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And then I have one person that has bought internationally, so that's why this pile is by itself. I also have this pile. I should probably move that pile. This is all the stuff that I packed yesterday. So right now we are gonna go inside of my hoarding room. And we're gonna grab some more items so that I can take more photos, so that I can sell more items, so that we can donate even more items to Feeding America. I think we've raised $800 to Feeding America so far. That is so freaking amazing. So I'm not gonna do a donation until the end of the week. I wanna do one big lump donation. I'm also gonna be putting mystery boxes online on my store at MissTiffanyMa.com. So these are gonna be my skincare boxes, makeup boxes. So many of you guys have been reaching out to me asking me if I'm making more skincare boxes and makeup boxes and hair boxes and things like that. So I figured I might as well put it on MissTiffanyMa.com so that I can donate all the proceeds at one time to Feeding America. And also, PS, giveaway announcement winners. I'm so sorry this took me so freaking long to do, but I really wanted to make sure that I replenished my stock because I gave out so many good items. I felt like the giveaway winners weren't gonna get the best products, so I waited a month. I got a bunch of new PR boxes, and a lot of it is really good stuff, so that is all the new stuff that I'm putting in the giveaway boxes. So here are all the winners right here. So if you guys are one of the winners, make sure you guys go DM me on Instagram, because YouTube, there is no way of messaging me on YouTube, and I don't want you guys to give me your email or personal information on my comments because that's just not safe at all. So DM me so that I can send out your boxes as soon as possible. All right, so we are back in the hoarding room, aka the guest room. I'm just gonna pick out some items to put online. I'm gonna try to do tops because I realized that you guys actually prefer tops more than anything else, and I do have a lot of cute tops that I can give you guys. I just squished something. Uh-oh. Also, this room is crazy. I know. Definitely something I'm working on. Once all these items get sold, it's gonna be amazing though. Okay, so here are all of the pieces that I wanted to add online. I grabbed about 25 more pieces. They're super cute. Hopefully you guys like them. So I just finished taking all of my photos, but I couldn't take all of the photos because it was getting really dark out. It's only 7:30 right now, but it was a really gloomy day today, so it got dark a lot faster than I was hoping for. But I'm just gonna edit the rest of these photos for today and then post them online, hopefully by tonight, so that by tomorrow morning, you guys will be able to see all the new items that are online, and it won't be sold out like last time, because I know a lot of you guys pointed out the fact that a lot of the things are sold out before you guys got to even see them. So hopefully there'll be more items up today by the time you guys are watching this. I figured I should end the video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm gonna be dropping off all the orders tomorrow at USPS. I am so excited for you guys to get your guys' packages. But yeah, I love you guys so much. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I want to know. So comment down below. What should you guys comment? Comment down below what is the last thing you guys ate today. I'm really curious. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.